Hello and welcome to this short video where I'm going to be talking about the Reiki Level 3 course that I do. And the Reiki Level 3 course, which is a master level course, can be seen by some people as the completion of their Reiki training. On the course, you will receive a further attunement. So by now in your Reiki training, you'll be quite familiar with attunements because you will have had several of them. The attunement is what connects you to the Reiki. And it's a kind of initiation ceremony, if you like. And it can only be performed by somebody such as myself, a Reiki master. My name is Margaret, and I trained with Penelope Quest, who is an international best-selling author of several books about Reiki. On the Reiki Master course, the Level 3 course, you will also learn the fourth Reiki symbol, which is the Dai Ko Myo. And you'll also be taught how to use that symbol within your healing sessions, whether it's for self-healing or whether it's working with family and friends or working with your paying clients. And one thing that you'll begin to notice is that the Reiki is much more powerful at this higher level. And you will have also probably seen that during your training. So your level 1 would have been about connecting you to the Reiki. On your level 2 course, you probably have noticed an increase in the power and the strength of the Reiki, and that will be even more so on this level 3 master course. The information on how to book on the course is on the Eventbrite page, and you just simply click the button and follow the process through. If, however, you have any questions about Reiki, you can also get in touch with me on the Eventbrite page. There's a way there for you to contact me. And I look forward to meeting you and to sharing my knowledge of Reiki with you.